Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today I'm going to show you how to set a paper on a drawing board. The first thing you are expected to do is to take your T-square, this edge, and set it to the sides of the drawing board like this so you can slide it. Then the next thing you do is you position your paper at the center of your drawing board and then you move the T-square to the top so that the paper will be on the same line with the T-square. Then you adjust it. You see, now it's on the same line with the T-square. Then you take your tape, your masking tape, and you tape here, you tape here, you tape here, then you tape here. So that's it. Now you can start drawing anything you want on your paper. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.